5 years old. Stay put, relax. Smile, Christian. Lucky winners, 5 winners. So, all the 10 winners, no, pwede ka mo nagkatakin mga sa likod. May consolation prizes na. Mga Christine, 5 lucky winners.
Winners, starting with
Congratulations. Next winner we have from Barangay Bagong Bayan, ticket number 0426, Lino Umanya. Congratulations. Also, congratulations to ticket number 0158 from Barangay Susaran Talisay, Lisa Marie Mahado. Ticket number 0158, please take your prize. Also from Barangay Zumpuan Morsha, Lolita A. Batulino. Lolita Batulino. Also from Sipalay City, Fresco Bigalo. Fresco Bigalo, congratulations. From Silay City, Joel J. De La Peña. Yes, we're sorry. And from Silay City, ticket 0100, Elma S. Malunas. Silay City, Elma S. Malunas, congratulations. So the winners, please bring your tickets here. Sa mga tingawag kapag na wala kang makuha, you'll be counting 10 seconds. We're so sorry. You'll try something more weekend. You'll give it to others. Para maraming chance to win. Maraming tayong winners for today. This is for everybody. Two, four, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kahit po tayo kung nalaman po. Alright, please. Let's have a good photo together with our dear Melcom members. Maraming salamat po. Let's have a good photo together. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Another 10 sets of winners. Guess what? Papamigay natin lahat, sir. 10 winners. 10 winners. Dyan na po. Dyan lang. Ayan. 10 winners. Give me 10 winners. Our grand prize for today will be washing machine. Ayan, washing machine. Maraming salamat po. Alright, as you call your name, please get your prize here, and then after Victoria, we'll proceed here with Ma'am and Sir, and then we have to sign something. Meron na sila kapag-pakan, ha? Okay, congratulations to from Victoria City, Erlita Laksao. Ticket number 0849, congratulations. Another winner is from Kabakalan City, Regina Largavista. Congratulations to her. Also, congratulations to from Omigao, Kabakalan City, Negros, Feby D. Dioso. Congratulations. Also from Kawayan, Alan J. Oblas. Alan J. Oblas, please take your prize. Get your ticket. Ayan. Also, we have from Cali City, Mark Alice Pinayon. Bring your ticket here. Claim your prize. Also from San Carlos City, ML1B Batalon. Next we have from Morsa, Manabig E. Bondia. Manabig E. Bondia, please take Next, the winner, ticket number 0541 from Bandala, Josephine Makaya. Makaya, congratulations. Next, we have a 0905 from Pinagbanan Negros, Jonalisa Hernandez. And on each side, let's all go together with our field help staff. Maraming maraming salamat po.
Stop ko ng
Winner, ticket number 0584, Maripiki Bonilla. Bonilla, please take your prize here. Double side po. I-perfect natin na mamaya pag wala. Mark Aris Tinayon. Mark Aris Tinayon. Are you here? Mark Aris Tinayon. 10, 9, 8, 7, wala po, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kasama po, sir. Okay, make another one, please. We have from Barangay Tongilo, Curly Pink Quezon. Curly Pink Quezon. Curly Pink Quezon, please stay right here. 10. Ayun ba? Okay, perfect. Ayan, please. Let's have a picture po muna. Ayan, take your prize. Alright, sir. And we draw again 10 winners, please. Okay, first 5 winners. Please bring your ticket. Sign something as you read no. Okay, ang kanyang ticket mo. Ticket number 0957, Montevedra, from Montevedra. Yuni Bolo Espanola, congratulations. Susan, 0957, ticket number 0957. Next lucky winner from Ilo. Ticket number 0055, Eleanor L. Buga. Eleanor Buga. Congratulations. Yes, next, we have, Alisa Monser.
You want to wait for your
Next winner, Evelyn O. Artajo from Bato, Sagay City. Bato, Sagay City, ticket number 0524. Please take your prize. Next winner from Morsha Zone 1, Kim Bayamon Valacuesta. Kim Valacuesta. Kim Diamond Valacuesta, please. Next, we have from Escalada City, Larry A. Takmal. Larry A. Takmal, congratulations. Take your ticket. Next winner from Victoria City, Janice Ibanez. Congratulations. Next, Rosalie Aguipo from Sagay City. Please. Next, we have from Kawayan, Chita Iligan. Chita Iligan. Tama po? Ayun. Congratulations. Next, we have from Along, Baguio City, Jeneline Inogo. Sheldon Vitorio for 0965. Ayun si Max. Ganda ng parents niya. Next, we have from La Carlota, Journey Deperi. Journey Deperi, please. 0495. Please take your prizes. Another last 10. At 12. Last 12, yes sir. Grabe. Maraming salamat, PhilHealth. Thank you so much for your business gift to each one of us. Maraming salamat po. Please draw that 12 winners. Yan, please assist natin si sir. Lahat po ng winners, don't forget to sign the right your name and signature. Dito po yung mga taga-PhilHealth natin. Kailangan po yan. Kailangan nilagay for their documentation also. Tulungan na lang po natin sila. Sign lang po. Magkuha ng prize. Pero lang po dyan kasi kailangan nila for their documentation. First 6 winners. Congratulations from Kabakalan City, Rosalie A. Gayanello. Rosalie Gayanello. Di ba gusto mong energy? Pag tawag ka lang natin yun. Next we have from Silay City, Brisel G. Gileano. Brisel G. Gileano. Ayun, perfect. Next we have from La Castellana, Grace C. Gasipo. Grace C. Gasipo. Don't forget to sign there, please. Thank you. Next from Barangay 1 Ilo. Rona Gayunaco. Rona Gayunaco, congratulations. Next, from Victoria City, Jonathan Pagona. Ayun. Trainor! Yes! Hindi yung focus ko kanina while watching was not with the dancers, but with the trainor. Yes, ganyan. Next, winners, last 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have Maylene Villanueva. Maylene Villanueva, please. We also have Leonito Tolentino. We also have from Barangay Lantan, we have Donna E. Halike. Donna E. Halike. Bring your ticket, please. We also have Lilani Miletes. Lilani Miletes, congratulations. And from Aurora City, Venus Tupilia. Venus Tupilia, please take your prize. Ayan. Don't forget to sign. Ito ko sa Tupilia, maraming salamat. Here now. All set na po tayo. Thank you so much po. At this point in time, we'll be proceeding to the awarding of certificates. Stand, relax lang po yung mga hindi natawag. You have a chance to win our washing machine for today. Venus Tupilia. Wala siya? 10, 9, Venus Tupilia. Ayan si Ma'am. Si Ma'am pala siya. Perfect. Ayan po. Sign. Claim your prize. Ayan. Ayan po. Okay na po. Sige.
Makabalo ako. Makabalo ako na kabulan ka. Ako lang natin sa ututso ko. Kasi ginagawa ng ito. Ano ako magpapaalam na ako.
maraming salamat po. Thank you so much po. Ayan, at this point in time, we'll be giving the certificate of appreciation that is the certificate reads Republic of the Philippines Department of Migrant Workers, Overseas Workers, Over Administration, the Regional Offices. Certificate of appreciation is given to Feeling Health in profile and sincere recognition for not giving support and being our dynamic partner in delivering caring, attentive and responsive programs and services to Filipino workers during the 2025 OFW Family Day held at Negros Island Region at SM Sky Hall, the North Block SMCT Bacolod, Negros Island Region. Given his 10th day of December 2025 at SM Sky Hall, the North Block SMCT Bacolod, Negros Island Region. Signed, OIC Regional Director, Risa Joy M. Lopez. Thank you so much, Piro. Palakpakan naman po! Thank you so much. Ayan. Next. A BDO or Apple. Ayan, representative ng BDO. Saan po yung representative natin from BDO? Ayan po. Please join us here. Saan na po si ma'am? Sino mag-draw ng, winners? Sir Charles Darwin, sir? 8 winners. Yes, grocery package from BTO. Maraming salamat BTO. We find ways, tama? Sure. Thank you so much, BTO. And of course, 30 winners of 500 pesos gift certificate from BTO. Ayan, maraming salamat, BTO. First winner of gift package with a bio, grocery package. Bring your ticket, please. From Alatarama, Chocolate Jumping in ticket number 0484, please. Jumping in Ilipay. Also from Quezon City, Rofelin Mahomitano. Rofelin Mahomitano, please. Ayan po. Double time tayo. To all the winners. Rowena Buhisay. Congratulations from Escalante City. Ayan. Correct po. Perfect. Sige. Let's move on. From Talisay City, Arama Pontino. Hi sir, congrats. Bring your ticket. Next winner. From Kabusa, Binigaran, Joaquin Morbina. Bring your ticket number 0827. Let's have Asorna P. Balikbo from Barangay Kalupan, Ilo. Please. From Talisay City, Brian Destua. Ticket number 0795. Brian Destua. Congratulations. Please double five winners. Next we have from LGU Bago. Postales Larry Days. Congratulations, ma'am. Congratulations to all the winners. Ayan po. Double time po tayo. Ayan, let's go together. Maraming salamat ng BDO. And 30 winners are also 500 pesos gift certificate from BDO. give drawing 10 muna, 10. 10 muna. 10 lucky winners of 500 pesos gift certificate. You can use this one. Mag-shopping kayo. Correct. Ayan. For shopping this Christmas. 10 lucky winners. Hawakan ng inyong ticket. Walang umiguan ngayon. Thank you so much, BDO. Of course, maraming salamat po. 10 lucky winners of 500 gift certificate. Ayan, nandito na po sila. Thank you so much. Congratulations to Elizabeth Galliaro. Congratulations. From Talisay City, Negros. Also, congratulations from Talisay City, Lobelie Pareño. Congratulations also from Bago City, Sonia P. Bermudez. Congratulations. Bring your ticket, please. Next winner, Luzbella C. Abraham. Congratulations. Next winner, congratulations to Herminia T. Renolando of Camas. Ticket number 0285. Next winner, Mary Jean Dubre from Barangay Kalupangan. Congratulations. May tip lang ako guys ha. Sa susunod po, when you're joining your raffle, please make it clear mo sa magsulat ng inyong mga names. Huwag natin mabilisan po. Baka imahalay yung mga 1 million yung mga prize tapos hindi natin mabasa yung mga pangalan dito. Next, we have Sonny Banaan. Congratulations from Takalan, Ilog. Please claim your prize here. Next winner from Silay, Lord Eliza Alayon. Congratulations. Lord Eliza Alayon. Next winner we have from Kapakalay, we have Margie Montia Leco. Montalero, Margie Montialego. Ticket number 0922. We also have from Moises Padilla, Jessie Presidente. Jessie Presidente, tawag po, 0472. Please claim your prize. Ayan po, please, let's have a photo together with you. Ay, meron pa isa. Jessie Presidente. Jessie Presidente, ayan po si Mama. Please double line po tayo, ma'am. Please, 500 pesos you can use na para mag-shopping ka ngayong Christmas. 500 pesos budget natin. For Noche Buena, ikaw po lang ang fashion. Cheers. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po, video. Picture po muna, picture muna. Ayan. We still have 20 winners of 500 gift certificate. Thank you po. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat. Next 10 winners. Please, ma'am. Join us, ma'am. Next 10 winners of 500 pesos. Maria Peroche, ayun, congratulations ma'am, perfect. Next winner, from San Carlos City, Jennifer B. Dorino, perfect. Next winner from Mansilangan, Chad M. Bukol. Chad M. Bukol, please. Next winner from Bacolod City, Granada, Rosaline Buega. Rosaline Buega, please. Sige number 0908. Ayun. Next winner from Victoria City, Veronica Golipatan. Ayun. Hi, congratulations. Please bring your tickets. Next winner from Pinagbagai, Gritzel Trespasses. Gritzel Trespasses, congratulations. Next winner from Kabakalan City, Odessa Tababa. Odessa Tababa, thank you so much, congratulations. Next winner from Sagay City, Adelina Gupay. Adelina Gupay, and from Moises Padilla, Robeliza Villamingo. Robeliza Villamingo. And from Talisay City, Jessa Paniel. Jessa Paniel, congratulations. Congratulations, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Complete. 10 lucky winners. Congratulations po. Maraming salamat, BDO. Another set of 10 winners. 500. Gift certificate. 500. Another lucky winners. 10. Have another 10. Yes po. Alright, 10 lucky winners from BDO. Maraming salamat po. Let's do this. Ayan, nagpermahan na yung mga judges namin sa winners sa ating Zumba. Are you satisfied with the result? Yes, sige. Hindi na hawak-hawak ng pati-hawak ang ating mga dancers. Alright, let's do this everyone. 10 lucky winners of 500 bucks for gift certificate from BDO. From Igmayaan, Maria Efrel P. Padera. Congratulations. We have Fedelide Kiatson from Mintohan, Morsha. Fedelide Kiatson. And also Jasmine R. Cayetano from Barangay 35 of Bacolod City. Ayun. We also have from Victoria City, Lion Mama. Ayun sila. We have from Lao Dubai, Mayla Bautista. Ayun sila. Perfect. We have from Barangay Silay, Barangay 2 Silay, Kenneth Garlitos. Kenneth Garlitos. We also from Sagay City, Ruby Gallo. Ruby Gallo. We also from Bago City, Lilia P. Maki. Lilia P. Maki. Ayun po, maraming salamat at congratulations po. We also from Portia, Negros Occidental, Elizabeth Elon. Elizabeth Elon. Congratulations. And last winner of 500,000 worth of certificate from Cali City, Maria Alexa A. Lanza. Congratulations. Bring your tickets po. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much from BDO. Thank you so much. Certificate of Appreciation is given to BDO Unibank Incorporated. Palakpakan naman po. We drove out the sincere recognition for the unwavering support and being our dynamic partner in delivering, caring, attending, and responsive programs and services to overseas Filipino workers during 2021 OFW community Negros Island region at SM Sky Hall, the North Block SMC, Bacolod, Negros Island region. You may be attending in December 2025 at SM Sky Hall, the North Block, SMC, Bacolod, Negros Island region. Signed, always original director of the Philippine Lisa Joy Apoles. Maraming salamat po, PPO. Palakpakan naman po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat, and maybe next year, we'll continue our partnership with you and PhilHealth. Baka may parang tayo dyan next year, PhilHealth, sa PPO. Let's have our raffle from Paramount. 10 power bucks. Yes po. From Paramount, 10 winners of power bucks. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And 10 lucky winners of power bucks from Paramount. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. And see you next year. PDO from Paramount and PhilHealth. Baka naman kami pareho tayo next year. Pero thank you so much for your support. Maraming salamat. Alright, first winner! As in winner prize, dito lang muna ako mag-group photo. Okay? Mag-picture tayo with ma'am. From Victoria City, Gina Natividad. Congratulations from Gina. From Cabacala City, Maria Dailin. Axoma. Congratulations. From Puerto Bella, Rosie G. Vargas. Congratulations. From Victoria City, Jack Dichoso. Jack Dichoso. Ayun, maraming salamat. Congratulations, sir. You're power back. From Sagay City, Marilon Bergoles. Congratulations. From Barangay Agusan, we have Rene, Jem, Grace, Factory. Mary Grace Factory. Tama po? From Barangay Agusan. Ayun. Please give us your email po para ma-verify natin. From Calatrava, Lord Eliza Alegre. Please say your price. We have Lani El Tonico. From Padilla. Ayan po. Picture muna kayo namin po. We have Aileen Javier. Congratulations. Get your power back. And last lucky winner of power back from Paramount. We have Harold Dipuon. Barangay Vine Street, Francis. Sila si tawag ko. Harold Dipuon. Maraming salamat. Congratulations. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 winners of power back from Paramount. Maraming salamat. Congratulations po. Also, the giving certificate of appreciation siya sa National University. Next round po, ang naman po, lucky winners of rice cooker, Seven rice cooker. Ayan, napaka-amount sa ating mga tickets po, prepare your tickets. Prepare your tickets, Maurice. 7 lucky winners of rice cooker, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you claim your prize muna, dito lang po muna tayo para makapapicture tayo. Congratulations to Rizalyn C. Fortaleza from Bacaluana. Seven. Ayan, complete na po. Complete. 7 lucky winners of rice cooker. Ayan. Yun na po yung one winner natin. Receive here, bring your ticket. Next winner, Talisay City. From Talisay City, Gloria P. Villarin. Gloria P. Villarin. Bring your ticket, please. Next, lucky winner. Zone 15, Talisay City. Rose Hela Mananay. Rose Hela Mananay. Congratulations. May bagong rice cooker tayo ngayong Christmas. Next lucky winner we have from Kabayan City, Nieves Himotea. Nieves Himotea, ma'am, please take your prize here. We have from Moises Padilla, Jerry Lee Tonico. Jerry Lee Tonico. Ayan, congratulations. We also have Ramona Espanosa from Valladolid. Ramona Espanosa. And last winner of rice cooker, Dangkalan from Dangkalan Ilog, Remily Garsalao. Remily Garsalao. Congratulations po. Yan, congratulations! May bagong rice cooker tayo ngayong Christmas and New Year. 2, 4, 6, 7. Ayan po. Congratulations po. Ayan. Picture muna tayo with the Reese. So 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Walkie. 1, 2, 3, walkie. Ayan. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much po. 6 lucky winners of electric cord. Ayan po. 6 winners of our electric cord for today. Walang mainit na Pasko. Our winners po, don't forget to sign here. Dito po kay ma'am. And pagkakuha ng prize, picture mo na dyan and then sign. Kailangan mo namin yan. Ayan, pero bago tayo, para hindi kami magkaproblema. Pagkakuha ng prize, don't forget to sign it dito po sa tubig para wala kang problema mamaya. Ayan, 6 lucky winners of perfect timing standby. Bring your ticket. Show us your ticket here. Next lucky winner of our electric fan. Congratulations from DFP. Gina Baal. Congratulations. Next, from San Enrique. Raymond Perocho. Congratulations, Paul. Next, from Montevideo. Elin Bangkala Vargas. Wow, congratulations, Paul. Walang init na pasko, walang init na pasko, 16 inches natin na electric car. Maraming salamat po. Next, from San Carlos City, Maria Melba Tumay-Tamay. Ayun siya. Next winner! To complete our 6 winners for our electric fan, we have Nicolas Carlos from Conspiro Street, San Carlos. Tama po, Nicolas Carlos A. Borose, na second, yun po yung pangalan ko. Ang haba. Nicolas Carlos A. Borose, na second. Tama po ba? Nicolas Carlos Rossi the second. Wala po ba? Opo, yung leader na natin yung we're so sorry po. Okay na, so we'll pick another one. Please, one winner of our election party. May umuwi na yung ibang winners ng ating sakot bigas. Next winner, Gerald Montaño. I'm here, Sir Gerald Montaño. Maraming salamat. Congratulations po. Yes, before na lang tayo, picture and then sign with Mapan dito sa Pilihan. Picture naman ang behind. Move closer. Our almost stop is a couple of 3 winners. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, Paul. Next, 5 winners of 1 summer rise. Ayan. Grabe na yung inaabangan na lahat. Kasi mahal-mahal ang bigas ngayon. Winners, don't forget to sign dito kay Kapay. Ang mahal-mahal ang bigas ngayon. Kailangan talaga namin ng bigas. 5 lucky winners! Isang sakong bigas ng winner! Puno-puno ang aming bigas na napunin namin mamaya. First winner! Congratulations from Pinalbagan! Janine B. Angay. Tama po? Ayusin mo po. Congratulations, ma'am. Diyan ka muna. Bring your ticket. Ayan po, bring your ticket. Next winner! From Barangay San Congratulations po, Henry. Ma'am, kung matagalan niyo po siya ngayon, sa inyo na po. Pero pag hindi, iwan niyo, wala. For me na to. Kaya? Kaya! Go! Ate mo. Sige. Anyone can help them needs from your team? Tigyan na lang kayo ng ano, sa magkano lang mamaya. Please help your friends naman po. Or kunin nyo na lang mamaya at yan yung pangalan dyan. Or if you can carry naman, tulungan nyo lang po please. Yung mga kaibigan natin, tulungan natin please. Next year meron po tayo ano, TV. Rap. Sa Iloilo kasi last year nagbigay na rap company, no? Company. Grabe yung nag-manage ng company. Congratulations po. Dahil tinulungan kayo namin sa pagkatang sila ka. Nag-iisa. Alright, so this time I'll be announcing our winners for this year's first ever dance Zumba Dance Contest 2025 before I will announce the winner of our washing machine. Ayan. May you have the result? Ayan po. Also would like to invite our board of judges. Please join us here. Ayan po. I will be announcing the winners sa baba. Dito po. The second place or our third place po. Third, second, and first. Yan po. Third place will win 5,000 pesos. This year's third place for the Zumba Dance Contest 2025. They garnered 90.00% of the judges' votes. Third place. Sa ating sa babaw, get here a prize and then one person to sign here with Mamahal. Third place, congratulations to performer number 11. Congratulations, Paul. Dancers, please join us on stage. Congratulations, guys! 5,000 pesos, please! Grabe! Oh, ang tagal mo po ang banda. Congratulations mo! Please, yung iba doon yung please. Let's have a go together. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Congratulations, maraming salamat po. Please, sign po. With Ma'am Ayun. Ma'am Ann, nilagay sa nila. Ayan. And now, I'll be announcing the second placer. One representative lang. Ayan. Sa magpapero po, no? Point number 3 lang sila kanina sa third place. Second place is performer number 18! Team Vamos ng Davao City Open for the Youth Federation! Vamos ng Davao! Congratulations po! Picture mo na get your prize. Vamos ng Davao! Vamos ng Davao sa 8,000 pesos! Congratulations! Congratulations, Mama Santiago. Maraming salamat po. And this year's champion from our first ever OFW Zumba competition is Ricardo, 93.33% of the judges' votes. 93.33, congratulations to competing group number 19! Congratulations to 10,000 pesos! Congratulations, Team Sana Manila! May you defend your title next year. You have the obligation to defend your title. To all our participating teams, please get your consolation prize